Welcome back, guys. We'll be looking at another example under division of polynomials. So we'll be going through the same procedure, but then I want us to pay attention so as to get everything we'll be doing here. I'll be taking it slightly deeper again. Now, we have a polynomial 4x raised to the power 4 plus 3x raised to the power 2 minus 5x plus 8 that we're dividing by another polynomial 2x plus 3. And then we are asked, what is the value of this when we divide this? So the very first thing we have to do, as we all know, is to create a table, create a division table where you have your polynomial here. Now, if you look at your polynomial should be in an order. That is in the order of decreasing power of the variable. Now, you have x raised to the power 4 here. The next one is x raised to the power 2. The next one is x raised to the power 1. And then the next one is the constant. This is not supposed to be. Why? Because after 4, we should have 3 before 2. But in this case, we don't have a 3. And then if you write it like that on your table, it will affect your division. So what do? We have to account for that 3. So we just put what? 0x raised to the power 3. So we know 0 times anything will still give us 0 in the long run. So, but we need to account for it for analysis purpose. So plus 3x squared minus 5x plus 8. Now we can work. And we have 2x plus 3 as the divisor. So what is the first thing we do here? The first thing we do here is take the first value here, like the last example. We take the first value here, we divide it by the first value here. So 2x in 4x raised to the power 4. Dividing this, we'll have 2x raised to the power 3. After I've gotten this, whatever answer you get here, you use it to multiply everything in this place. The totality of everything in this place. You use this to multiply it. So how do we do that? I say what? I just say 2x cubed times everything here. So 2x cubed, and we have done multiplication of polynomial, so we know 2x cubed times 2x will give us 4x raised to the power 4. 4x raised to the power 4. Then we have plus 2x raised to the power 3 times 3. In this case now will give us 6x raised to the power 3. Now we have done this, we now subtract these two. 4x raised to the power 4 minus 5x raised to the power 4, we have 0. Now we have 0x raised to the power 3 minus 6x raised to the power 3. That will give us minus 6x raised to the power 3. Having done that, we bring down the next one beside it. We have plus 3x squared. And then we repeat the same procedure all over again. We say the first value here, 2x in minus 6x cubed. What does that give us? That gives us minus 3x squared. We divide this well. Now, dividing this, then we say minus 3x squared here that we got times everything here. Multiplying that, you have minus 3x squared times 2x giving us minus 6x cubed. Then we also have minus 3x squared times 3. We have minus 9x squared. So we can subtract it again. Subtracting both sides again, we have this minus this giving us 0. Then we have 3x squared minus 9x squared. So 3 minus minus gives us 3 plus 9, giving us 12. So this definitely will be what? Plus 12x squared. So we have gotten the x squared, but we still have other remainder things that we have not talked about here. We have not taught, so we need to bring them down. To bring down the next one, we have 12 minus 5x. So we repeat the same procedure again. Repeating the same procedure again. Repeating the same procedure. We have 2x, divide 2x. So we have 2x in 12x squared. That will give us 6x. We put our 6x here. Then the value we got here, that 6x, we use it to multiply everything here. Everything in this place. So what do we get then? We have 6x times 2x, we have 12x squared. Then 6x times 3, we have 18x plus 18x. We subtract it again. We have 12x squared minus 12x squared gives us 0. Then we have minus 5x minus 18x. Minus 5 minus 18 gives us minus 23. So we put our x and then we bring down the last one. The last one here is plus 8. And then we can multiply. So now that we have this, we can now multiply. So I've got 8, then we divide rather. We say 2x in 23x in minus 23x. That's 2x in minus 23x. That's minus 23x divided by 2x. Here we can see x cancels our x. We are left with minus 23 over 2. So since minus 23 over 2 is what we get, we simply write our minus 23 over 2 here. And then we use that to multiply everything here. So minus 23 over 2 times 2x, which will give you minus 23x. And then minus 23 over 2 times 3, that will give you minus 69 over 2, rather. So subtracting here, will give us our final answer, give us our remainder rather. So this minus this gives us 0. Then 8 minus, we are subtracting. So 8 minus 69 over 2. So this will become 8 plus 69 over 2, which will give us 16 plus 69 over 2, which will now ultimately give us 85 over 2. So my remainder here becomes 85 over 2. So you should note that your remainder can be a fraction. Okay, they are not. It's not this. It's just on over this alone. LCM, one more LCM and LCM. Eh? I think one. So we have our remainder as 85 over 2. So you should know that your remainder can be in fraction as well as your quotient. In fact, you can have a quotient where all the entities here are all your entities here, and here. That is here. Everything can even be in fraction. You don't need to be amazed. It is still part of the process as far as you are doing the right thing. So that is that. So I can now say, therefore, my when I divide polynomial 4x raised to power 4 plus 3x squared minus 5x plus 8, when I divide it by 2x plus 3, it gives me what? It gives me a quotient. It gives me quotient 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 6, quotient 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 6x minus 23 over 2. So this is the quotient I have. Remainder. This is my remainder. Remainder 85 over 2. This is the division. This is the result of the division of my polynomial. So that is that, and then We'll be taking one more question on that division of polynomial in the next class, which will go further than this. So stay tuned and then solve more questions as usual.